Hey guys, it's Sam Lertle from the J production team. I just want to briefly go over one of the most essential parts of coding, the coding mindset. So what is a coding mindset? Well, essentially, all it is a way a coder should solve a problem. And they should do that by setting a goal, like a main goal that the app will solve, but then breaking that goal down into smaller goals that are called parts. And then finally, making each part as efficient as possible. And we'll get into that later. So setting goals. It's as simple as it sounds. All apps are designed with purpose of accomplishing a goal, whether it's a game, it's for fun, a planner for organizing, uh, even viruses, you know, they all try to accomplish a goal. Breaking the goals down into parts. Well, for starters, uh, programming it's essentially saying using the computer to solve a problem. And um, programs will always have different parts. Um, so on the outside you kind of see like your application name, and then when you dive deeper into the application, you're gonna see all the functions, classes, loops, and all those have different code inside of them, and it gets messy. So getting to that, you want efficient parts. Why efficient parts? Well, um, they're easy to read, and that's for yourself and for other coders. Um, and on top of that, I mean, it'll be less plausible to make mistakes. You'll have a faster runtime, and quite frankly, it looks better. Um, a great example of efficiency is Dijkstra's algorithm. And basically, this algorithm was developed to find the shortest path possible through uh, a weighted graph, um, with a starting node and an end goal. Um, I think that you guys should check this out. It's a great example of efficient code. Even though it's not like directly code, it mirrors like the key concepts of the coding mindset. And I think what it also highlights is, I mean, although there are multiple paths, there's always going to be a best path, and that path will be the most concise path, shortest, cleanest, quick to the point. So the takeaway message: uh, coding isn't just a language. I mean, on the outside, you'll see Swift, Java, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, all those languages. But the one of the key parts that most people don't look into is the coding mindset, and it's crucial just to understand the problem, the overall goal, and just knowing how to like break the goal into smaller goals, and then keeping everything inside of it neat and ordered. It's critical to have, and it'll make your app 1,000 times better, guaranteed. Um, well, thanks for listening to this presentation. Feel free to if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me at the next meeting. Um, yeah, I would definitely, if it interests you, look at it online. It's pretty easy to find, but just kind of study it and make sure you kind of know what it's all about. So, uh, thank you.